Hey guys, this is the Logitech wireless keyboard, the K350, and this thing is great. I used to just have one of those small things that would keep falling. This thing is amazing. It's got great wrist support and it kind of has a contoured wave feel. It takes you a few days to get used to, but once you do, the support and protection on my wrist has been a game changer. I also love that it has media controls on the top. And it's completely wireless, meaning they give you a little USB to stick into your computer that automatically connects it. And you can do so much from here, and including all the other little shortcut buttons around. I think other than the actual main keyboard, my most common button I use is the calculator button. Every time you press it, your calculator pops right up. So this works great with pretty much all Windows computers and is just fantastic. There you go. I do love this computer keyboard and I know you will too. So if this is what you're looking for, the wave contoured wireless keyboard, go ahead and pick one up today.